G'day guys, how you going? Yeah, I'm gonna make the pole holder. Sorry, it's a bit hard to speak in the marks. Yeah, this is gonna be my pole holder on the roof of my ute. So simply, I went to Bunnings and I did buy 3 meter long PVC pipe of 150 millimeter width, and then the lid. I put the glue. The glue is pretty much strong, and then on top of that, just to make it more secure, I did screw 4 screws. So still on the way. So this is what you need. I'm going to use the red tape as a mark line here, so I don't apply the glue more than required. So this goes here, the lid with the thread. So I'm not gonna put here now because it's gonna make hard life. So this is what I got. I had a brush with me, but yeah, I don't need brush because there's already a brush in the glue. So this was the glue protect. It's really strong. It just takes like 5, maybe 10 seconds, and then it's done. Boom. And to spray, I don't know why I got this. I'm not gonna use that. It's a sandpaper. So what I did is I did sand all the PVC so the spray stays well. So I did sandpaper and clean it with wipe and water, let it dry so it's clean, it's ready to go for spray. So before that, I'm gonna do this. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Okay. I'm going to use the tape for the marking. So you just gotta be sure that I make it dry quick, because this glue is really strong and goes tight very quick. It doesn't take more than 10 seconds. I try my best to do it quick, but I'm not that quick. There you go. looks fine here, but see here, this is the result of using too much glue. So guys, it's been like 10 seconds and it's almost yeah, it's almost dry. So I'm just waiting for it to dry well. Once it's dried, I'm gonna use my spray so I can just spray it and then take it back tomorrow. There's a place called Monai Spring. They're helping me to make the U-balls for here, which is 150 mil and 220 mil long. Anyway, like, yeah, I'll get the job done here today, so tomorrow I just take it there, just clamp it, ready to use. By the way, the whole pipe was, the PVC pipe was 3 meter, but I measure it 2100 mil, which is 2.1 meter, which should be more than enough for all my gear. Extension pole and fishing rod, whatever I'm going to use, is no longer than this. You can see the fishing rod there, it's not longer than 2 meter. It's just 2.1 meter. So that should be fine. It cost me around everything together. The clamp is a bit expensive, like it went like $30 each, so I'm just gonna have 2 clamps. I think it's roughly gonna be around $260 for all of this, but it's really solid, it's good. There's one on BCF which is for $140, but I don't know why, like, I didn't really like it, just because it's a little shorter, I mean it's smaller, and then the lid is not the PVC, it's metal, and saw a lot of comments from people who have already bought that and used it, saying that it's gonna rust very soon, so I thought of making my own. So yeah guys, Bunnings is the best options if you like to make a pole holder for your roof. So guys, this is done, that's done. So this is the lid that goes here. I mean, yeah, just to make it more secure so it doesn't fall when I'm driving, just because of the vibration of the car, it might fall. So I'm just going to use it some secure line, but not today, on next video maybe. I'm just going to put a screw here and put a line here, so even if it drops still here, the possibly strong, like it's not going to drop. Alright, there's a bit of mess on the floor, what's this deal? So you can see here, I'm going to use that, I'm going to use this area. So guys, the first coat has been done. It's already looking good. I'm really happy with that. Just waiting it to dry at least an hour and a half so I can give a second coat. This little thing is gone. I sold this digging so someone is coming to pick up tomorrow, and I got more space here in this garage. So yeah, I think one can should be enough. I brought two. Anyway, like I still got to spray to the U-bolts, the screws, and yeah, looks good. So yeah, here's this 3.5, says 3.5 meters square. 10 minutes dry time. Yeti window cleaning. So guys, finally here comes my pipe holder. Clamped with the metal U-bolt, nice and strong through the square pipe. So it's a bit tight. Oh, it's really tight. I mean, I need a dry rag, something. It's super cold here down in Tasmania. In Hobart, you can see the snowfall up there in the mountain. It's super tight. Yeah, that's it.